feel so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gemma. So guys, today's video I am going to be attempting to cut my son's hair for the first time. Guys, as you know, I'm a hairdresser, I'm no barber, so this is literally going to be the first time I'm ever handling clippers. So wish me luck, guys, because I'm going to need it, because if I mess this boy's hair up, his dad is going to kill me. So yeah, guys, please wish me luck. I bought the clippers from Amazon, in case you're wondering. Literally, the clippers came with everything: comb, scissors, cape. The cape that he's wearing, it came with the whole package. Is really good. So on the setting, it has number 1, 1.5 and 2. And when Israel goes to cut his hair, they normally cut it with number 1 at the bottom and 2 at the top. But when I started using number 1, I realized that, oh my god, his hair was too low. Like, literally, it was too low. So I was like, oh god, what do I do now? So I changed it to number 2. But when I started cutting with the number 2, it was literally the same thing. So like, I'm a bit confused. So I just decided to just do it all like that, because when I started using the number 2, it literally cut the same length as the number 1 did, if that makes sense. But it wasn't actually that bad. Like, I was panicking for no reason. It wasn't that bad, but it was bad, if that makes sense, because I didn't want his hair to be as low as I cut it. But Israel's hair like grows really quick, so I know that within a week his hair would literally grow back, so I wasn't worried about that. So yeah, I just decided to use the number 2 to cut all over, even though, guys, I was so nervous. My heart was beating. I said to myself that anything can go wrong, because if Israel moves, I might cut the long part of his hair. But God being so good, Israel was so good. Obviously, he fussed a little bit, but he was literally really, really good. He just sat there for me to cut his hair, and I'm so proud of him. Like, he did really well. So yeah, guys, let me stop talking and just let you guys watch me cut my baby boy's hair. Guys, everything was going perfectly well until I decided to touch the front of Israel's hair. Like, when I take him to the barbers, they do cut the front of his hair, but I feel like they use like probably number 4 or 3. But I just forgot to change the clippers, and I just used the number 2 to cut the front of his hair. But thank God I realized before I went in too deep. So I did like push his forehead back a bit, but god, I don't even know. I'm so happy my son is so handsome. So he looked cute either ways, whether his hair was pushed back or not. He still looked very, very handsome. So yeah, that's the only mistake that I did. I shouldn't have touched the front of his hair with the number 2. I should have changed the clippers. I should have put probably number 4 or number 3, so that his front will not be as low as it is right now. Or maybe if I was able to shape up his front, I think it would have looked better. So yeah, guys, that's the only thing that I did wrong. But apart from that, everything just went according to plan. So after cutting his hair, I went to give him a shower, and then I washed his hair. So I'm going to cornrow his hair just so his hair looks neat for nursery. Israel's hair has grown so much now, so I can't really leave it out afro as I did before. So yeah, I'm just going to cornrow his hair, and then yeah, that will be it, guys. Comment down below, let me know how I did I do good for my first time. I think I did well. So you guys rate me out of 10. How well do you think I did with cutting Israel's hair? Let me know in the comment section. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, share with all your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.